What's up guys, Spencer here, back doing another video for you guys today. And today's video is more of an informative video of how to teach you guys how to set up ESC profiles based off of car vehicles that you run, different surfaces that you race on. For someone like myself and many others that race on all these different surfaces and that have one or maybe two cars that you need to kind of change not only the car setup but the speed control setup because of the different traction levels and surfaces that we race on. I can't stress to you guys enough on how amazing this feature is that Hobbywing has, where you're able to kind of choose your profile that you want to run based off of the vehicle you're running and or surface that you're going to run on. You can have preset profiles. You can name them to whatever you want: outdoor profile 1, indoor dirt profile 2, carpet indoor profile 3. That way, when you go to all these different settings, you don't have to create notes in your phone, screenshots, whatever it may be. You have preset profiles that you can kind of get setup sheets from, other pro drivers or local racers that you respect that their settings are good, and you can kind of upload them onto your ESC setting. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to briefly do that. I'm going to do a screen recording on my phone. I highly recommend you guys doing this. It's going to make and save so much time for yourself. And not only that, it keeps things a lot more organized, especially if you're trying to get the most out of your ESC. So let's get started. I'll show you guys how to do it. It's super easy, and hopefully you guys enjoy. As always, please give this video a like and subscribe if you do think that this video does help. And once again, hopefully you guys like what you guys see. Let's go. Alrighty, so now that you have your app opened up, make sure the top right that you're connected to your speed control. I'm connected through my OTA program box. Hit parameters. As you can see, the profile setting that I currently have opened at the top, it says 110 scale outdoor. If you click the arrow button, 3 different settings come up, which I'm going to click on all 3, and that's going to preload to the settings that I have pre-named them to. One is trackside. We'll click on the middle one. One is outdoor, and then the other one, zero timing, it'll change to Hoosier. Sometimes the app, when you open it up, I wouldn't necessarily say it's bugged, but you'll have to kind of, once they're saved, they don't ever necessarily go away. But as you can see, these are already pre-saved on this speed control. I have 3 separate profiles, which you are able to change the name of the profile. And each profile has a different setup. So Hoosier will be different from trackside. And as you can see, the drive frequency and everything all changed. And trackside will be different from the outdoor. And so forth. And what you're able to do with all of this is essentially have pre-made setups that you will have made. And when you want to go from a different track, you don't have to go individually and change all these different settings to make everything work. Everything's already preset to your setups on the speed control that has its own memory. You're able to rename it, and then you're also able to save profiles, make it importable. Hoosier. And it saves to your import files that you can upload to your speed control. So that's how you create profiles on your G3 and G3X, along with other older speed controls like the G2 and G2S and XR8 speed controls. It's all the same process, super easy to do. And hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.